Today we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Police Chase Takes Dark Turn When Officers Find Baby.
Look away from me! Look away from me! Look away from me! Look away from me!
In an attempt to flee from officer, a man crashed his car, a baby's life.
Oh, they're taking off on me.
Really? Where you at?
Avalon. I'm coming up to the interstate. 118. Stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle! And Nora 64, it's gonna be on a gray Honda sedan. We're in front of the raceway. They tried taking off on me and then they 1031. Do not move! Go ahead and give me traffic. I've got them at gunpoint until I get another unit here. Go ahead. Hey, we'll get the passenger out first.
Passenger, stick both hands out of the window now. Step out to the sound of my voice right now. Look away from me. Look away from me. Look away from me. Look away from me! Lift your shirt up and spin around. Spin, 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 spin. Come back to the sound of my voice. Hands up. Back, 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 back. Interlock your fingers on your head. Interlock your fingers on your head. Get on your feet. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get up. Get up. Get up. I don't care. Get in my car. Sit down. You want to call him out?
Driver! Open your door. Hands up. Hands up. Out the door. Hands up. Step out. Face away from me. Step out. Face away from me. Come backwards to the sound of my voice. Back, 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 back. Lift your shirt up. Turn around. Turn around, all the way around. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back, walk back. Stop. Get on your knees. Lay on your stomach. Is there anybody else in the vehicle? Huh? Your baby? Are you kidding me?
Baby, roll to your side. Roll to your side. Just tuck your feet underneath of you. Stand up.
We're gonna clear this car really quick. If you can stick him in the back of mine.
Yep. He's got a bunch of on him. I'm gonna clear him first. All right, come on. Hey, I lock your car.
This guy is a freaking idiot. So, a couple of things here, right? Sometimes you see officers take people out like that. A lot of times they do that when it's like a felony stop and stuff like that. Now, the reason that they do that is to put the suspect at a disadvantage and put the officer in a winning situation, right? Why? They have them step out. Look away from me, right? They have them look away from you. Walking backwards, things like that. Having them raise their shirt and turn around so that way they could do a visual frisk, because they don't have, at that moment, they can't do a pat frisk, right? And they got them at gunpoint or whatever. So they can't do, a pat frisk right then and there. So they do a visual frisk and have them back up, whatever, right? Because the chances of them, turning around and getting aggressive and doing all of that while walking backwards is less likely. It's difficult to do. Now, if they was walking straight face to face, then they could charge at him or whatever. But walking backwards, it definitely puts the officer more at a better advantage.
baby.
Unbelievable.
Hi, baby. All right.
Okay, you good?
He must have a good excuse for fleeing.
Hi. What's your name, bud? Oh, look at all that snot you got coming out your nose.
Oh, I bet.
You can clear traffic. If I can have EMS en route, I'm not sure on any injuries. Everybody looks 10-4, but there was a baby 10-12 in the vehicle. You okay, buddy? You okay? Yeah, I hadn't even caught up to him, and then I saw he 1031 in his ditch right here.
Is that what he did?
Oh, right here, yeah. Go ahead. .34. They're gonna be 10-15 for fleeing to elude.
Hi, buddy. How are you? So did he try to swerve in here and smoke that?
Yeah, he tried to make a right into here. But he went off road because he was going too fast and it's raining. Can you sit with him? I'm gonna read him Miranda.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
What? Is this? What, this?
Yeah.
All right. There you go.
Hey there, Deputy Robbins, San County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. Let me read you something. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand those rights? I've read them to you. Okay. What is going on, man? Huh? Why'd you run? Huh? Do you have a valid license? You don't have a valid license, so you ran for not having a valid license. That's the only reason. You're gonna put yourself, her, in jeopardy because you don't have a valid license. Could have been a simple court date. Do you realize you could have killed that kid? 164. You were at 117 miles an hour. I flipped around on you when you were doing 80. Turned my lights on and you sped up. You were doing 117 miles an hour. You couldn't stop in time because you went through this ditch because it was raining. There's a kid in the car, man. You could have killed him.
Yeah, everything's clear. Yeah. There's a little one in here. So Jay said they went to turn in. You can see where they ran down the side of the ditch over there and smoked the whole front end of the car. I don't know what they were doing. He was in the apprehension phase, and he said he clocked him at 118 once he turned around.
What's up, dude? Hey, let's get something to wipe your face off with. Yeah, you got boogers all over you.
Ew.
Let me see.
Are you okay? Do you need EMS to look at you? You're good? All right.
You said there's a kid in the vehicle?
Yeah. He was going so fast that he tried to make a right turn into here, and he went right here through the damn ditch before I even caught up to him. I was still way down there trying to catch up to him. He was doing 80. I flipped around on him. He saw my lights, and he doesn't have a valid license. That's
too
it.
fast for the distance. Good. Wow. How's the kid?
He looks okay. He's got snot hanging from him, but he seems okay. Ma'am, are you okay?
Yes.
You're okay? Do you need an ambulance to look at you?
No.
You don't have any injury? Is that your child? Why did he run?
He was running from me.
Yeah.
I was eating me some hamburger helper.
Oh, don't come on.
I turned
Come on, man. Don't say that bullshit, man. You better off just staying silent. Don't say you didn't know that he was running from the cops because you eating hamburger helper. Come on, man. These are the people that we got raising the next generation. Just stay silent if you're going to say some dumb shit like that.
80. He was doing 80, and he saw my lights, and then he decided he was going to take off on me at 117 miles an hour. That's why you guys went airborne right here. You went through this ditch.
I was wondering why he had went through there.
Because he was trying to run from me. There's a kid in the car, man. He could have killed all of y'all for no reason because he doesn't have a valid license. That's the only reason he ran. You have any ID on you?
Deputy Smith has something for you. Oh,
Hey, I like
good thing I wore these shoes today.
That's yours if you want him.
Yeah.
You want him?
Yeah.
Well, it's yours.
Yeah.
You gotta give him the name.
Name.
You gotta give him the name.
You have any guns or anything on you? Are there any guns in the vehicle? All right, man, go ahead and have a seat.
Sorry, Jerry, I was coming.
Oh, you're good, man. I was not.
Way to turn a misdemeanor into a felony, right? Driving with a suspended license or whatever is typically a misdemeanor, right? Or you know, you get your little citation, go about your business, get your little court date and a fine, right? See, so aggravating factors. Courts are generally lenient on traffic violations, but when you add speed, rain, and a baby in the car, the judge sees deprived heart behavior, right? And indifference to human life, okay? You ain't give a crap. That's pretty much what it's saying. You don't give a crap.
Not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that at all. I was in the apprehension phase, man. I was trying to get up to him, and then
Well, he pretty much did this on his own.
he did.
That's what it sounded like to me. So he started taking off before we even lit him up.
Right. He was already doing 80, and then
Loosen them. I checked. I can fit my fingers through them. They're not meant to be comfortable. You don't have anything on you illegal that's going to get you in trouble, do you?
No.
No? Okay. All right, just sit tight.
hey, Josh,
Yeah.
you got a bag?
Yeah. Well, little man is her nephew. I don't know what the relationship is.
He said it's his son. I thought I turned our phones off. Is it still on?
Disconnect it.
Excuse me, what's going to happen?
You're going to jail for fleeing to elude, reckless driving. She's probably going to be able to go home. Is that your kid?
No, sir.
It's not your kid?
No, sir.
No.
Y'all need the one going to jail check out?
Yeah, maybe. We'll worry about the little one first. Got a little corner baggie of a green leafy substance.
So he's going to jail for fleeing and eluding and being a
Reckless driving and probably DWLS.
with a child in the car.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll hit him with child. Okay.
All right. Sounds good.
Hey, under the driver's seat, there's a corner baggie of I'm just gonna rip it out real quick, just to let you know. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man!
Hey, Josh, after you're done with that, you can undetain her.
Okay. Was she held against her will?
No.
Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
I don't know her number
You don't know her number?
by heart.
It's in your phone? Okay. Alright, hey, EMS is gonna check you out real quick, okay? Alright. Talk to this lady right here, okay?
Is she released or what?
Huh?
Is she released?
Yeah, I guess so. Current Jerry. Yeah, he just said undetain her.
All right, guys. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.
Yes, ma'am. I got it. Hey, this is Deputy Villar with the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office, all right? Hey, how long is it going to take you to come get your child? Okay, so where are you at?
I'm at work.
Okay, well, you're going to have to leave work and come get your little one, okay?
Alright, what's going on?
Well, she's already explained it to you.
Can you explain it to me?
So, do you own a Honda Accord?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, not anymore because it's totaled out. You're going to have to come get your car, get your kid, okay? And we'll explain it to you when you get on scene, okay?
And that's why he ain't care. It ain't his child. Simple as that. That's why he didn't care. Unbelievable. Over a driver's license? Makes no sense. He should get some time for this, man. He should definitely get some time for this. For sure, for sure. Whatever. But we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm going to say 5 out of 5. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.